ZenGo wallet versus blockchain wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare ZenGo wallet and blockchain wallet to help you decide which one best fits your needs. ZenGo wallet is a keyless, mobile-first cryptocurrency wallet that leverages multi-party computation (MPC) technology for enhanced security. It's designed for users who want simplicity and strong security without the complexity of managing private keys. The wallet eliminates the risk of losing keys by storing them securely on the cloud, offering easy recovery options. ZenGo supports over 70 cryptocurrencies and allows for in-app buying, selling, and swapping of assets. With its user-friendly interface, ZenGo is a great choice for beginners or anyone seeking a hassle-free, secure experience on mobile devices. On the other hand, Blockchain Wallet is one of the oldest and most trusted wallets in the crypto space. It's known for its straightforward and easy-to-use interface, making it ideal for beginners. Blockchain Wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning users have full control over their private keys, though it doesn't offer the same advanced security measures as some hardware wallets. The wallet also integrates a built-in exchange, allowing users to buy and sell crypto assets directly within the app. Additionally, blockchain wallets' backup and recovery options are designed to be simple and accessible. When comparing ZenGo and blockchain wallet, the decision comes down to your priorities. ZenGo is better for users who want a seamless, mobile-first experience with strong security and easy recovery options without the complexity of managing private keys. Blockchain Wallet, while still offering great security, is more focused on simplicity and ease of use, but with fewer advanced features compared to ZenGo. Both are solid choices, but if you're looking for a more user-friendly experience with advanced security features, ZenGo Wallet may be the better option for you. For simplicity and a trusted name in the industry, Blockchain Wallet might be your pick. Check the links in the description to explore both options further.